Problem 31. An honor council consists of 4 seniors, 4 juniors, 3 sophomores, and 1 freshman. 15 seniors, 20 juniors, 25 sophomores, and 11 freshmen apply. In how many ways can the honor council be selected? Leave your answer in symbolic form. It says, in other words, this is probably going to be a big number, so they said, don't bother to do the multiplication. And it would be multiplication, wouldn't it? Because we're choosing from 4 sets, and we're choosing somebody out of each of those sets. So it's the number of different ways we can choose the seniors, times the number of different ways we can choose the juniors, times the number of different ways we can choose the sophomores, times the number of different ways we can choose the freshmen. So overall, it's a multiplication problem. Now, let's look at each of those individual choices. When you choose those 4 seniors out of 15, so you're choosing 4 out of 15, is that a permutation or a combination? Well, are there different jobs? No, they're just all serving on the honor council. That's a combination. And likewise for the rest of the choices. We're choosing 4 juniors out of 20 juniors. That'd be a combination of 20 taken 4 at a time. As far as the sophomores, we're choosing 3 sophomores out of 25. That would be a combination of 25 taken 3 at a time. And when it comes to the freshmen, there are 11 freshmen, but only 1 of them is being chosen. Well, that's, again, when you're only choosing 1, keep it simple. If there are 11 freshmen to choose from, you're only choosing 1, there are 11 ways you can do that. You could think of it as a combination of 11 taken 1 at a time, but that just comes out to be 11. So you don't even have to think of it as a combination. Now remember, what I want you to do is I want you to expand this a little to show me that you know what a combination involves in terms of calculating it, that it's a permutation, in this case of 15 taken 4 at a time over 4 factorial, times a permutation of 20 taken 4 at a time over 4 factorial, times a permutation of 25 taken 3 at a time over 3 factorial, times the 11 different ways we can choose 1 freshman. And then this would be what? 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 over 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Times 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Times 25 times 24 times 23 over 3 times 2 times 1 times 11. And you can see why they didn't want you to do all those calculations, because that would end up being a very big number, which tells us there are a lot of different ways you could choose those people to serve on the honor council.